Well guys, today we are here to talk about clamps. As you may know, we do have a quite huge portfolio in clamps or couplers or swivel couplers or half couplers, whatever you want to call them. We can offer them both in silver and black, and the coupler range starts at the tube of 10 millimeters up to 60 millimeters. It basically covers all the products we are manufacturing. And today we are here to introduce you a new type of clamp, and that's the plastic cable management clamp. We offer two types of plastic clamps. It's a socket clamp and a cable clamp, both into colors silver and black. The cable clamp is ready for cable management, and the socket clamp is ready for cable management as well as for socket holding.